Follow Your Dreams, Little One by Vashti Harrison. Follow your dreams, little one. There's so much good you can do. Just look at all the legends who came before you. Raise your voice like Langston, James, and Andre. Langston Hughes wrote poems about black pride. James Baldwin spoke in a way that made people want to listen. Andre Leon Talley showed that grace and kindness are always in style. Use your art like Aaron, Gordon, and David. Aaron Douglas made paintings for and about black people. Gordon Parks focused his camera on troubles in America. Sir David Ajayi designed buildings inspired by people and culture. Reach new heights like Alvin, Arthur, Bill, John, and Legan. Alvin Ajayi danced all around the world. Arthur Ashe proved that even a quiet person can be a voice of change. Bill Russell always tried to be the best teammate he could be. John Robinson taught black pilots how to fly. Leland Melvin worked hard enough to travel in space. Make a difference like Garrett, Arturo, and Charles. Garrett Morgan was an inventor and a hero. Arturo Schomburg collected stories of Africans around the world. Charles R. Drew had an idea that saved a lot of lives. Stand up for what's right, like Harry, Baz, Frederick, and Thurgood. Harry Belafonte led the way for so many as a musician, actor, and activist. Bass Reeves was a lawman who protected good guys and animals alike. Frederick Douglass wrote his story and spoke up for those who couldn't. Thurgood Marshall fought for equality rights as a lawyer and judge. Whenever you go, whatever you see, reach for the stars and always be the best you can be. Follow your dreams, little one. There's so much good you can do. Just look at all the legends who came before you.